ดีค่ะ everyone! Monday, new recipe! If you are looking for an appetizer, I think this will be a good one. Today, I will show you guys raw chicken stuff with vegetable. And I'm pretty sure that you can impress your friends and family. Are you ready? Let's go! Spring onion, carrot, onion, baby corn, Shitake mushroom, soy sauce, oyster sauce, chicken breast, cooking oil, black pepper, salt, and toothpick. We will start with the chicken. Slice the chicken in the middle to open it up. Be careful, you don't want to cut it. Marinate chicken with salt and black pepper both sides. Let's prepare the vegetables. Vegetables with soy sauce and oyster sauce. Add cooking oil. Add onion. Add carrot. Add baby corn. Add soy sauce. Add oyster sauce. Add mushroom. Add spring onion. Let's stuff the chicken, roll it, and close it. Use toothpick to close it, but you can also use cooking roll if you prefer. Now that we started, let's cook the chicken. Add some oil. We will start by making the chicken brownish. To do so, use medium heat. Once you have the color that you are looking for on the outside, you can lower the heat to cook the inside. Flip it every 2 minutes or so, during 5 to 10 minutes. If your chicken piece is big, you can use a cover to help the cooking. Remove the toothpick. Cut it. Serve and decorate. very easy, right? I hope this dish is going to be one of your favorite appetizer. Many of you are new, so welcome! Let's continue growing the Thai food lover community, even if today it wasn't a Thai recipe. Please consider subscribing if you haven't yet. Share, leave a comment, and chop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย